a good start to the day. I lost in pool. Did make it a close one though. I think it was the glove. Glove gave me bad luck. We'll blame it on the glove, but probably gonna rent a scooter here for a bit, or in a bit, and then scooter around the northern part of Ninh Bình. There's like a capital that we're gonna check out. There's a pagoda, and then I think we might try to do a boat ride. So we'll see. Just one motorcycle today because I wanted to film more instead of drive. So
why do you want to film more, dude?
Well, as you already know, I did lose a lot of the footage. So yeah, it's currently at the bottom of the Holland Bay, and I don't think there's any saving it. Decided to check out the capital, ancient capital city first, because the weather looks like it's kind of raining, or about to rain, and being on a boat for 3 hours doesn't sound great when it's raining. So we're hoping that the weather clears up by the time we're gonna do the boat stuff. So we're here at the ancient capital. Not really sure what's inside there, so we're gonna see how much the ticket costs, and if the ticket cost is cheap, then we'll do it. If it's expensive, we will not do it. So just those two things?
Yeah, it looks like it. Maybe I guess you can hike up to, I guess, on top of this, because that would be this little area there.
Yeah, I mean,
looks like maybe a cemetery.
I think there's not much to do, to be honest. So we can skip it if you want. Yeah, doesn't look like there's much to do here, so we decided to not spend the 75 cents walking around. We're just gonna go somewhere else. Got into this place. Getting tickets was a little confusing though. There's like 3 different options you could do. One that, you know, is you take a car here, you get dropped off, and you get picked up over there, but you can't have access to here. One is the same thing, but you have access to here. And then one where you take the car and the car follows you around. You can hop on and off the whole time. But we started here, and then we walked up this way. We're here. Stood up too. I stood up too fast. That's a big bell. Big Liberty Bell, if you will. Biggest pagoda, Vietnam. More shrines and temples. Kind of cool. Oh, there's something gold over there. If it wasn't so foggy, you could see so much stuff. Like, I feel like we're missing so much stuff to see way back there, but still, it's pretty neat. It's kind of crazy. We kind of only knew about this pagoda, and we didn't really know about this whole site in general. And we spent like already like an hour and a half here, just like walking around, seeing all the temples. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Wait, dude, shut the... Dude's scared of bees.
Dude, in Spanish class freshman year, a swarm of bees came in through the window. Got back to the homestay, chilling before we leave. Dane already beat me once in pool before, or after lunch, so he's up. Well, you said 5-3 for the trip?
No, I'm up 5 games.
On the trip? 5 games?
Yeah, because I was at 3 on the last time. Remember?
I need to get my shit together. Made it to the train station. camera's about to die. So hopefully this night sleep train is a good one. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us.